So good morning, class 8 children. Switch on your cameras. So today we are going to start with chapter number 16, light. And before starting the chapter, let's discuss the key terms of this chapter. And moreover, this light chapter, children, we have already read in class 6 and 7 also. But now in this class, small bit elaborated chapter is this. We are going to study about the laws of reflection. Reflection, we know that is a bouncing back of light, and the laws of reflection we are going to study in this chapter. After that, kaleidoscope, multiple reflection, and how kaleidoscope work, how periscope works. So all these things we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, so before starting the chapter, let's discuss the key terms of the chapter so that it will become easy for us to continue this. Okay, so let's start it. Find out the word meaning. And one thing more we are going to study, that is a Braille system, children. So giving you 5 minutes, kindly start finding the meanings, and after that we'll be discussing about it. Kindly raise your hand. First is angle of incidence. Those who know the meanings, quickly raise the hand. Quickly you raise the hand. Okay, first is SSR. Give the first meaning, angle of incidence.
Angle of incidence. The angle between the normal and incident ray is called the angle of incidence.
Okay, the angle between the incident ray and a normal is known as angle of incidence. Okay, second will be given by Veronica. Angle of reflection.
The angle between the normal and the reflected ray is known as the
Okay, the angle between the normal and the reflected ray is angle of reflection. Next, blind spot. Raise hand those who know the answer. Yes, Aryan Shinde, what happened? Don't know the meaning of? Yes, Aryan Agarwal.
Ma'am, blind at the junction of optic nerve and the retina. There
There
are
is
no
a
sensory cells.
no senses are there where retina on the retina. So that particular spot is known as a blind spot. Okay, next will be given by Aryan Agarwal. Braille.
Ma'am, the most popular resource for visually challenged person is Braille.
Braille is a system for a visually challenged people. Okay, next is cones. Yes, Barira. Where are you? Yes, Sarthak Singh Rao. Yash, Sarthak Sehgal, Priya, Hasib, Aditya Shah. Why you are here? Akriti Balian. Yes, give answer. Yes, Aryan Agarwal. Cones. Cones and rods. What are these? Actually, these are the, yes, Veronica, you know? Rods and cones.
Ma'am, cones detect colors and rods detect brightness.
Okay, they are sensitive to the colors, and rods are sensitive to the brightness. So children, this is written in your book where the diagram of eye, explanation of the eye is there. In that part, you may get the definitions of rods and cones. These are the two types of the cells present on the retina. Okay, next is cornea. Kindly raise hand. Yes, Aryan Agarwal.
Ma'am, it is tough so that it can protect the interior of the eye from incidents. Its transparent front part is
Simply you
called
can write down,
cornea.
simply you can write down front transparent part. Front part of the eye is known as cornea. Okay, next question, next words are there, diffused or irregular reflection or regular reflection. So children, you may differentiate between these two. We are having two words here. One is a irregular reflection and other is a regular one. This. So we may have the difference between these two. Regular reflection and irregular reflections. 2-3 differences you may give. Okay. So let's come on the next one. Next part is dispersion. 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 Who wants to tell for
Ma'am.
dispersion? Yes, Sarthak.
Ma'am, splitting of light into its colors. Its
Okay,
colors is
into
known
its
as dispersion.
constituent colors. Splitting of light into its constituent color is known as dispersion. So this word is in the new terms also. You may continue. Next is incident ray, iris, kaleidoscope. Okay, tell Veronica. Where are the rest? Aryan Shinde, no response. Ansh Garg, not raising the hand. Yash Garg, Kashish, Akriti, don't want to participate? Yes, tell.
The light ray which strike any object is called incident ray.
Yes, the light which strike to the any of the object is known as incident ray. Next is Hasib Malik. You have raised hand. Iris. Which meaning you want to give?
A dark muscular structure called iris.
And yes, iris gives colors to your eyes. Sometimes you have seen the color of eyes black, brown, grayish. So that is due to the iris. Next is kaleidoscope. Yes, Aryan Shinde, if you know, you may.
Beautiful patterns are found in a kaleidoscope because of multiple reflections.
Yes, beautiful patterns has been formed due to the multiple reflection is due to in the kaleidoscope. Next, lateral inversion. Right appears left, left appears right. That is known as lateral inversion. Okay. Next, laws of reflection, the two ways of reflection. Next is pupil. Can I have the meaning of pupil? What do you mean by it? Pupil. Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, in the eyes, there is a small opening called pupil.
Okay, small dark opening in the iris is known as pupil. Next, reflected rays, already you have done. Reflection. Reflection. Simplest definition of reflection is bouncing. Ansh Garg, Samrid, don't want to give the answer. Hasib, you know what is reflection? Simply a bouncing back of light is known as reflection. Okay, next is regular reflection you have done. Now retina and rods. Who will give me the definition of retina? Yes, Aryan Agarwal.
Ma'am, the lens focuses light on the back of the eyes on a layer is called retina.
Okay, retina in a simplest words, we can say it is a screen of the eye where the image is formed. Okay, next one more is their rods. Just we have done. Yes, Aryan Shinde.
Ma'am, the cells which are sensitive
Sensitive to
dim light.
that are known as rods. Okay. Hasib want to say?
No.
So children, these are the key terms. And you need to draw the diagram of eye. It's very, very important. Important to
Ma'am,
draw
what is
the
the meaning of pupil?
pupil. Pupil is also written a dark circular part in the iris is known as pupil through which light may enter in our eye. Okay, that is known as a pupil. So children, this is your today's work. Kindly do these words in the notebook and two diagrams I will suggest to draw. One is for the laws of reflection and second is that structure of eye. labeled diagram of structure of eye. You may take this diagram from your book or from other book you may concern where the labeled diagram is given. So this is your today's work to kindly start this chapter in the notebook with the key terms and the aim of the chapter. And second thing, to draw these diagrams.
Ma'am,